Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and showing you guys the new Microsoft Defender app that kind of works in tandem, or it's kind of a group work with the Windows Security app. I mean, the Windows Security app doesn't go away when you install that Microsoft Defender Security. Um, you know, so half of you, or there's a portion of you that are Microsoft 365 subscribers, and obviously, um, you look at it and you're like, "Wow, this is cool. I'm gonna, I'm subscribed, so I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna do it." Um, Also, there's a lot of you that are like kind of ranting that this is just a panel to check if security is all right and if your antivirus works. And no, it's more than that. It does give added security features using the cloud endpoint protection that Microsoft has, which is enterprise grade. So technically, it should add more security. And the thing is, and I say it all the time, we talk about security here regularly, and I always say that paid antivirus is useless, and it is. And anybody that is a security guru is going to tell you, I don't install any antivirus, don't buy it. I just got the basic one, and it's enough, because that's the protection that you need, because that's not where security happens. That's not where security is. It never has been. Where it has been security is you. When somebody tells me, well, I got viruses before I bought Norton and now I don't have them. No, you just change your habits, and you don't do the things you did that made you have malware. It's a very different thing. What you do and the security updates are 99% of everything that you need to be secure. Plus, add to the fact that nope, no antivirus really removes any viruses, and anybody that relies on that to remove a virus, you're just asking for trouble. It's as simple as that. Now, back to this. I always say the basic security is enough, and that's why, for a big part of it, is I don't see why anybody should, have a subscription to get this. And I would put this into a different category. I would put this into if you have a Microsoft 365 subscription like I do, and some of you obviously do here on the channel, there's no harm in having it on your devices and seeing kind of in this panel everything's all right, and seeing all the computers. And it's not necessary also. I didn't add this to add security. I don't need to add security. Like I always say, you don't need anything more than what is already there. I probably mostly had it because, anyways, I got a channel here and I want to talk about the different stuff, and this is a new stuff. Could we rant at this? Could we rant at, the fact that Microsoft has you paying for a service to get this, and that if you're not paying for it, look, I get the point, but at the same time, you do have Windows Security app, which is enough. So I'm not in the ranting side for this, because Microsoft does give you a decent antivirus already in Windows. So that is, for me, fine, and you got it for free. And don't worry, it's not taking away the Windows Security app. And some people have commented on this saying, oh, well, that's it, we're going to pay for antivirus for Windows. No, the Windows Security app is still going to be there free. It doesn't change anything. It just adds, for those that are subscribed to Microsoft 365, a layer of cloud protection. Probably more, because if you are a home user but you have Microsoft 365 subscriptions, it means you do more than maybe the average person online with say, sending or receiving or doing stuff with other businesses or people. So it's kind of a different take on the protection and the protection that you get from all the other things you do. But like I said, this is not needed, and you, even if you have a Microsoft 365, you don't have to install this. You don't have to check and make sure that this is keeping you safe. Your Windows security app is enough. So I don't know. It's a different layer. It's a different type of thing. It gives you a at the same time this panel that you can see every device that you have, including smartphones, where there's a protection on your smartphone that is added. Like I said, the protection against bad links and phishing attempts and all sorts of things like that in text messaging and in your phone, in an Android phone, for example. It's kind of interesting if it works well and detects it well. But definitely, you don't need this. Definitely, could it be free? It could. Definitely. Also, I'm not sure where to put myself in this one exactly. As should I rant or should I, or it's just like I said, I'm not ranting because you've got your basic security for free. So it's not like you're losing something, but it's interesting. Anyways, comments, guys. What do you think? Should that new Microsoft Defender be free? Or is it just fine that, it's like it is? Give us your point of view. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.